What if a classroom didn't just teach the future, but built it? This is the Switch Lab PM96, built from the ground up by high school students. But this isn't just a car, it's a process. Over 5 months, students transformed a rolling chassis into a fully functional electric vehicle. They installed the batteries, built the electrical panels, wired high and low voltage components. From motor to headlights, from brakes to fenders, every piece, every connection, every detail, built by hand. Before the build comes the foundation. Students start with technical knowledge, fundamentals of electricity, wiring, and vehicle safety. Then, hands-on practice, relay labs, miniature builds, real problem solving. Then comes the challenge. Build it, test it, tune it, and finally, drive it. This is more than a class. It's teamwork, problem solving, and real-world experience. It's discovering skills you didn't know you had and opening doors to careers you didn't know existed. Welcome to General Technology at GLHS. The future isn't waiting. It's being built right here.